So you set up a sign up form in AWeber, and now you need to send a welcome email automatically. Sounds simple, right? Well, there are a few key settings you need to get right, otherwise, your email might not send at all. Stick around, because I'll walk you through it step by step. Plus, I'll show you a better alternative at the end that gives you more automation power and a longer free trial. First, log into AWeber and go to Lists. Each list in AWeber has its own automation settings, so make sure you're working with the right one. Once inside, navigate to Messages and GT Campaigns and click Create a Campaign. Choose Welcome Series if you're starting fresh. If you already have a campaign, open it to modify the first email. Next, write your welcome email. Click Add Message, then drag and amp. Drop Email Builder. Keep it simple, greet the new subscriber, deliver any promised content, and set expectations for future emails. AWeber does have templates, but they're a bit outdated, so you might want to design a cleaner version from scratch. Now, the key part. Set up the trigger. Click Trigger and choose Unsubscribe. This tells AWeber to send the email immediately after someone signs up. Double check the settings. By default, AWeber adds a delay, so if you want the email sent instantly, set the delay to 0 days. Another thing to check is double opt-in settings. If your list requires double opt-in, new subscribers must confirm their email before they receive your welcome message. This can sometimes cause delays, so if you want faster delivery, switch to single opt-in under list settings. Before going live, test everything. Use a test email to sign up through your form and confirm the email gets sent. If it doesn't, check the spam folder or verify that automation is enabled in AWeber. AWeber is solid for basic automation, but it has limitations, especially if you want more advanced workflows or better email design tools. If you're serious about email automation, I've linked a platform below that offers more flexibility, better templates, and a longer free trial. And if AWeber doesn't fit your needs, I've also listed a few alternatives that might work better for your goals. Check them out in the description to get exclusive perks through our link.